that's it. It's a case of powering this thing on now. Hopefully. Lights on, everything's on. That feels pretty good already. A quick check for air leaks. That's not working, or it is working very well. Now there's a final test, so I'll check, feels good. That all seems to be working okay. I'll have a fiddle around with the gears in the middle. Final test is you loosen the 2 bolts on the master cylinder and you see whether it pops back up as previously demonstrated when I had to do the adjustment, and it's just a check to make sure that that piston isn't engaged so that you don't lose your air when parked up. So hopefully these 2 bolts could then be loosened up and it shouldn't pop off at all, it should remain in the same position. So these 2 bolts need to be slackened off and it shouldn't push away from the manifold. It should stay in its location, so I'll back these off a bit and see what it looks like. So that's mine loose, it's not really pushed up at all. Just wobbles and that's just on there pretty well. Happy with that. Tighten those up. Job is done. Right, I had a couple of test drives in it and I'm not happy with it. And I think it's down to the fact that the actual clutch pedal is way too high. There's nothing in the instruction how to set it up initially, and there's nothing in the instructions to say how to adjust it to get a better position. And when I first start to press it down when it's running, it just doesn't seem to do any action for the first that kind of distance, so that's kind of a wasted travel, and then it starts to have an impression on pushing the clutch in, and that should really sit lower than your brake pedal. And I've said before it should be 140 millimeters from the bottom to the underside of the clutch. Taking this rubber off should be 140 milli. That excludes the carpet. My carpet's about 5 milli thick, so I should be looking at around 135 millimeters, and that is way higher than that. So somehow I have to adjust it to bring that down. No idea what that involves. I'll pop the bonnet and have a look. I guess I'll have to go through the whole setup process again and take it from there, which is pretty annoying. Clutch seems to be slipping as well. Once the clutch pedal's all the way up, it does seem to be slipping when I floor it. So definitely needs some more adjustment. I just haven't got a clue how to do it at the moment with a lack of instructions.